everyone, welcome to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to make a bag that I have made literally hundreds of times. Today, we're gonna make the so popular two-tone snack bag. We are specifically focusing today on using the top panel that we made in yesterday's video, going over English paper piecing. You don't have to hand piece the top part of the snack bag together if you don't want to. You can use any material at all you'd like. However, it gives it such a beautiful classic, like quilty, homemade, but still really professional look. The snack bag is a great beginner pattern. I'm gonna have some fun with some faux leather today. I am using my food safe lining on the inside, which I will have a link for down below. It's a great scrap buster. It doesn't require a lot of material, doesn't require a lot of time, and it's just really fun to make. And I'll be honest, our family, we use at least 6 of these a day. I mean, every single day my kids go to school, they have 3 of these in their lunch boxes for snacks, sandwiches, fruits, everything. We use them for travel. We can use them for craft storage. You can use them as a pencil pouch. I mean, it's like the best go-to bag pattern, especially if you're in December right now and you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, but you really want to have some time in your sewing room to just sew something up because you need a break. This is a great pattern. I highly suggest it. So this is an OklaRoots pattern. I'll have a link for it down below. I do have tutorials going over this in detail with the measurements, so you do not have to buy the pattern. If you want to just go look at those previous videos, I have all the measurements in the description of the video. Today's video will be, again, no talking. It is a fun watch and learn. So we're going to put some music. We're going to go over this just to kind of we can sew together. If you have any questions though, make sure you leave a comment down below. I will be using the template set for this. The template set is extremely handy if you're going to be making a lot of these, especially if you're not a fan of always trying to remember what is the measurement on the roll. You just grab these. I mean, I actually use these all the time, and I'm a big fan of rulers. I usually prefer rulers to templates, but I use this template set every single time I make this bag. I don't even know what the measurements of this are anymore. So if you're new to the channel, please consider clicking subscribe down below. If you like this video, please give it a like. Like I said, any questions, comments at all, leave them down below. If there are any other fun, quick videos you'd like to see, or maybe another watch and learn where, again, we're just gonna put some music to it, we're just gonna make something festive together, leave a comment down below. I am doing my best to put out a video every single day from December 1st to December 24th. So far, so good. So we'll see if we can keep it up. If you're interested in some of the other videos from this month, I'm gonna have a playlist that I'll link down below, and it'll have all of the December videos there. All right, guys, let's get started.